Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable guys split screen mode and how to use it on Oppo phone device. Friends, you don't know about guys your split screen setting, so how to enable and use split screen on any Android phone and guys any Oppo phone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So when scroll it, friends, click on your Oppo phone tool setting. After on friends tool setting, first friends you can see navigation, gesture, screenshot, screen recording setting. Friends you want to use, so you can use from here. Split screen friends, last option friends, we will click on split screen setting. After on split screen friends, you can see split screen settings. So guys tap here, and when this setting is disabled, swipe with three fingers. So guys you will have to enable from here. After enable guys, we can use screen split screen. So friends, suppose you are using your Google app, and friends you want to split screen, so you can split screen. And friends with Google friends, you can use YouTube app. Friends, you can see I can use YouTube, I can use Google app. So two screen guys, we can use guys screen size. You want to increase your YouTube screen size, you want to increase your Google screen size, so you can increase and you can use it like that guys. When you will back, screen recording will remove it. So friends, you are using Play Store, so guys we can split screen on Play Store, and friends you can on your phone setting with. Friends, you can see Play Store with setting we can operate two app at one time. So like that we can enable split screen setting and we can use it on Oppo phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope fans understood how to enable and use split screen on Oppo phone settings, Oppo phone device. So bye guys.